Hey y'all. So on January 10th, we had the pleasure of going to the Mean Girls premiere. So if y'all are a Mean Girls fan, I'm sure everyone went to go see Mean Girls. So we went on Wednesday, of course. And of course we wore pink. And why did me and April come dressed with the same exact shirt? And it's so funny because I was going to get the shirt that said "You can't sit with us," and I was going to buy the earrings as well. But then the earrings were out of stock, so I needed another shirt to go with the earrings. So the earrings that were in stock was a little bit dramatic, so I ended up getting that shirt. And I figured no one would have that shirt on because that's like a scene in a movie. Whereas though no one would get that shirt, but of course people would get on Wednesdays we wear pink and "You can't sit with us." Those like the main shirts that people would have on. Like I did see someone with on Wednesdays we wear pink. But I was so shocked to see April with the same shirt because I'm like, what are the odds that someone will have their shirt on? And lo and behold, it's the one that I'm gonna be with at the movies because we met there. She was there before I even got there. So they had the Mean Girls drink. They wasn't promoting it, so April took it upon herself to promote it. She the one that spotted it because I didn't. All right, y'all, stay tuned for the little clips. On Wednesdays, we wear pink. Yeah. You're like really pretty. So here we go, just doing a little bathroom scene. On Wednesdays, we wear pink. And y'all, look what I found at Walmart. Mean Girls Creamer. So stay tuned. Stay tuned to see me taste test it. I think it's gonna be nasty. It's pink frosting. But look at us looking so cute. I bought us those rabbit ears in the movie. The original movie. Y'all know Regina George, she had the Halloween party, she had the rabbit ears. She came as a bunny, I believe, or something like that. But I had got us the rabbit ears, so when I came, I crowned April with hers. We didn't let it flash in the movies, of course. We turned it off. But that was our Mean Girl.